Hey guys, you're welcome back to my channel. My name is Adedoyin. In case you're watching me for the first time, welcome to my channel. And today's video is going to be a curly fro tutorial and it's sponsored by Botanics. I'm going to be using their deep treatment mask, their leave-in conditioner, and also their black seed hair serum. So my hair was actually really dirty before doing this curly afro, and I went in to wash my hair. I saturated my hair with a lot of water. I washed my hair to get rid of all the dirt, all the product buildup and sweat, and then I went in with the Babasu deep treatment hair mask, and I absolutely love this deep treatment mask because it's just different from the hair masks that I've used in the past. The hair masks that I've used in the past, most of them just sit on my hair and they do absolutely nothing, but this one is different. I think it's because it contains babasu oil, because babasu oil is actually a very lightweight oil that helps that penetrates really easily into your hair. So just look at that, it penetrates into my hair really easily, and I think this has got to be my favorite products from this particular brand, from this particular collection. It absorbs into the hair really easily. I love it. I absolutely love it. And then I also went into cover my hair with my shower cap just to let the deep conditioner sit in and do its thing. You know how we do, okay? So after a while, I just rinsed that out, and I absolutely love the the shine and the softness that this particular deep conditioner did to my hair. I really love it. So I went ahead to apply the marula oil leave-in conditioner to add more moisture into my hair. And marula oil is actually a very hydrating and moisturizing and occlusive oil, which means that it helps to prevent water loss from your hair. Don't mind me, I've actually made my research. I made my research on the ingredients in this product, so trust me when I tell you that these products are the one. Okay, so I used the leave-in conditioner to add more moisture to my hair, and then I went in with the black seed hair serum. I just applied that just to maybe sealing the moisture in my hair. I don't know. Yeah, that was basically what I did to add more moisture into my hair. And this is where the curly fro tutorial begins. I just went in with my rubber band, the black little rubber bands. Yes, I use that to tie my roots, just to make sure that my roots don't get matted down when I want to take down the twist, if that makes sense, because I've noticed that when I do my twist out, my roots tends to mat, and I don't really like that. So I use the rubber bands to stretch my root, and it absolutely worked. Yeah, it worked. So I just installed my twist just like usual, normal, nothing different, nothing new. And because my hair is actually full, and I wanted an afro, I didn't want just anything. I wanted a curly afro, so I made the twist to be, a lot, not too much, but a lot. And then I also used the black seed serum to, I applied that all over my scalp as a scalp treatment because it is good for your scalp and all of that. So I went ahead to do my own weekly activities, and I came back I think about 4 or 5 days, and I used the black seed serum as well. I rubbed that all over my hair, and I also used some of the black seed serum. I applied that on my fingertips to unravel the twist, just so that it prevents my hair from freezing up. I mean, it just prevents freeze in my hair when I do that. Just take down the twist and look at that definition. Just look at it. You can't tell me that this is not popping. This is popping. But do not forget that we're actually going for a curly fro. We are going for a curly fro. And what is an afro without volume? Tell me, what's an afro without volume? Nothing. So I went ahead to separate the twist just to give me some volume, just to give me some movement. And this totally depends on you. If you want it to be very big, then you have to go all in and separate all the curls and get a very big fro. But if you're like me, that you still want to maintain some definition but you still want volume at the same time, just separate each twist out maybe into 2 or 3, and then use your white tooth comb just to tease the roots to give you more volume and also to give you more movement, and just use your fingers to fluff it out, and there you have it. You have your curly fro. Yeah, you have your curly fro. So not all the time boring fro, just put some curls in it sometimes, and this is the final result. I hope you love it. The link to the Botanics products is going to be in the description box. Trust me, they are really good products that I would recommend to anybody. So I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye.